They may be bottled up every play of the game. That one place takes them over the edge. I can't even say this about Taylor. I keep wanting to call him Franklin. I can't say this about Taylor right here. He had 240. He was cooking y'all all day, working. He should be tired. Y'all can't be tired. Y'all just been chasing. He been running away from y'all all day. How come he's so tired? He not tired. Y'all so tired. Come on. It's want to. You have to want to make the play. You cannot slack. You have to finish the plays when they're there. Take advantage. Go.